Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen T-ROC design. It's the 1.5 TSI, finished in Turmeric Yellow metallic paint. You've got the 17-inch Mayfield gloss black diamond turned alloy wheels. It's in a really lovely condition. As you can see, you've got the silver chrome around the roof and the black roof rails. Bring you around to the back. It's in a really lovely condition. There's no marks or curbs or anything like that on any of the alloys. And inside the boot, you can see you have got a decent sized boot, so you definitely get everything that you can need in there. It's only had one owner from new, and it's covered 8,500 miles, so it is really low mileage for a 2-year-old car. Into the rear, you've got the really lovely contrasting yellow stitching. And there's plenty of space, so it would be fine as a smaller family car. And there's those alloys, really lovely. So I'll get in and start it up and show you the inside. So on the inside, you've got your 8-inch touchscreen. You've got your radio functions, it's DAB radio. You have also got App Connect, so you can connect your phone with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink, depending on what you've got. Underneath there, you've got your 2-zone electronic climate control, and you have also got front and rear parking sensors. This one is a manual, so you've got your manual gears, and then just under there you've got 2 USB ports as well, so you can keep your devices charged on the go. You've got your electronic parking brake and auto hold as well. On the left, you've got your adaptive cruise control with front assist and lane assist, so it's perfect for motorway driving. And then you've got all your controls on the right. You've got automatic headlights, and you've got heated door mirrors as well, and they are folding as well when you lock. Just give you a close-up of the seats, and it is really, really nice. It really complements. You've got all the yellow dash inserts as well. So I do hope you like the car. If you are interested, if you've got any questions, please just give us a call. Thank you.